Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna make a really cool gradient logo in Adobe Illustrator, and yes, super beginner friendly, so stay with me and let's start. Now grab your shape tool. I'm using a circle because it always looks clean and modern. Just click and drag and place it right in the middle. Duplicate the shapes, go to Edit, Copy, and Paste in place. Paste and again select Paste in place. Now select all shapes and place in center. Duplicate again the shape, go to Edit and select Paste in place. Follow me where I place the shape. Now select all the shapes and click the Smart Shape Builder tool. Press and hold the Alt key to delete some parts of the shape. And now release the Alt key. Just draw or move the area you want to merge using the Smart Builder tool. And that's it. Now let's make a gradient color for our logo. Open your web browser and type in the URL UI gradients. Now you can select color gradient you want to apply in your logo. Copy the 3-color code, follow me. I will create a shape pattern for our selected color. Now after I created a color pattern, I select the part of the shape to apply the gradient color. I select the part of the shape and then click the eyedropper tool to copy the color pattern I created. And now, I will adjust the gradient color position for better appearance of the logo. Just follow me, I will show you how. So yeah, that's how you make a simple gradient logo in Adobe Illustrator. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends who also want to learn design. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.